Hello friends, very warm welcome to you. Hope you are watching those videos which we are releasing for the products sold by Indian enterprises. So in the current video, we are presenting a very handy tool for measuring small chip components like resistor, capacitor and inductance. Model is Smart Tweezer Colibri. It is also known as ST5C, and it is basically used for component sorting and measurement of small chip components. So you will get this product in the original packing as we receive from the OEM. You are watching on your screen. So let's open it and see what are the parts supplied along with this smart tweezer. So you will get a calibration certificate along with this smart tweezer, which is valid for 1 year from the date of issue. These are through hole and SMD 5K resistors, which are basically used for calibration purpose. Then this is the main ST5C unit. It is inserted in the a holster. So you will get this along with this packing. And next is the charger. It is a basically USB to micro USB based charger. So on one side it is connected to the AC power source, and on the other side it is connected to the smart tweezer. So this smart tweezer is having a rechargeable battery, and this is the operating instructions how we can use this smart tweezer for measurement of small chip components, and it contains other useful instructions and information as well. So you can refer to this manual for more details. So these are the parts which you will get along with this smart tweezer. So in the next step, we will connect it to the AC power source to show you how we can just charge this product. So see, it is similar to mobile phone charging operation, similar to the procedure by which we charge our smartphone. So in this way it is connected on one side to the AC power source, and on the other side it is connected to the smart tweezer. So we can see that the charging symbol is flashing on the display. This is the LED display. So very clear visual you are watching. So charging indication is also flashing on the display. So once the charging is over, this display will be switched off. It means that the charging is complete, and once it is charged, it is having a 150 mAh battery. So if it is fully charged, then you can use it for 15 hours or more, and after that you need to charge it once again. So this is how this smart tweezer is charged. So let's move further. Even though this smart tweezer is pre-calibrated, we can perform the calibration function upon its arrival. So let's see how we can perform the calibration. The smart tweezer should be switched off before starting the calibration procedure. We need to just pick up the reference 5K resistance. So even though this smart tweezer is pre-calibrated, we can perform the calibration function once we receive it. So let's see how this smart tweezer is calibrated. There is a reference 5K resistance supplied along with this smart tweezer for calibration purpose. These are SMD and through hole mounting style. So the smart tweezer should be switched off first before performing the calibration. So please follow this step for calibration. Switch it on by pressing this toggle switch, and when a star will be flashing on the display, just press this toggle switch once again and just measure the value of the reference 5K resistor, and then press the button to end the calibration. We can see that calibration has been now performed, and it is measuring the accurate value. We are measuring 5K resistance, and display we can see 5K value. So now calibration is over, and let's move to the other steps, how we can measure the other SMD components. So See, there are few features also which you can follow. If there is a toggle switch present on this in the body of this smart tweezer, if we press this toggle switch for less than 1 second, the switching there will be switching in the uh, modes like auto mode, resistance mode, and inductance mode, L for inductance, and then capacitor mode. So if we switch, if we press this switch for more than 1 second, then the test frequency will change. You can see there are three test frequency available: 100 hertz, 1 kilohertz, and 10 kilohertz. So by pressing this toggle switch for more than 1 second, we can change the test frequency level. And see, for if we are measuring the large value capacitors, then the 100 hertz frequency is recommended for measurement. And if we are measuring the high value inductance, then 10 kilohertz frequency is recommended. We are measuring a 1 1 ohm resistance in auto mode, so it is giving accurate value. Let's move to the next component. Now we are measuring 10 ohm resistance, so we can see that it is even in auto mode it is giving accurate value, and it is identifying the component as well. So this smart tweezer is capable of component identification as well as giving it it also gives the value of that particular component. Next we measure 100 ohm, similarly moving on 1 kilo ohm, then 10 kilo ohm, then move to the capacitors. So we are measuring a 100 picofarad capacitor, and accurate value is displayed on the screen as you are watching. Similarly, we will measure the inductance also. So we are measuring the value of 10 microhenry inductance. So it is giving tentative value close to 10 microhenry. Next, move to the other component. We are measuring a 100 microhenry component, and value is close to 100 microhenry. So even in auto mode, it is identifying the type of component and giving its value. We can also choose to measure in manual mode, like if we are measuring resistance, then we can select that particular manual mode for resistance measurement. And similarly for other components, we can select the type of mode of suiting that component. Like so if we are measuring in auto mode, the bare components, it is recommended to just shift to the auto mode. And if you are doing on-board measurement, then you can shift to the manual mode. So it's up to you to decide which mode you want to opt. And few information I want to give here, that this test signal level of this smart tweezer is 0.45 volt root mean square, and basic accuracy of resistors is 0.5%, and for capacitor and inductor basic accuracy is 1%. Battery life, as I already told you, that it is having 150 mAh battery, and for continuous operation up to 12 hours is sufficient. And charging time depends upon 3 hours or more. And the display is OLED display. It's a very bright display, which you can also see on your screen. So for basic measurement of SMD chip components, it is recommended to use this ST5C smart tweezer. And if you want to measure advanced type of measurement you want to do, then the other model which we released before, that ST5S, that is an advanced model that you can also buy from us. So as I already told you, that we are authorized sales and service partner of this Advanced Devices Canada. We have their authorization certificate also. If you want, we can share the details with you. You are welcome to send your business inquiries for this smart tweezer Colibri ST5C, and we are having very competitive price for this smart tweezer. If you want to buy in bulk, we do have sufficient stock to meet your requirement. So please do send your inquiries to us. We will get back to you with necessary details, and price structure also. So hope you have liked this video. Thanks for watching this video till the very end. Enjoy your day.